Hello, and welcome back to Health is Wealth, where we explore the best natural remedies and health tips to enhance your well-being. Today, we're diving into the wonders of castor oil, a versatile and ancient remedy with countless benefits for your health, skin, and hair. If you're curious about how this golden elixir can transform your daily routine, keep watching. What is castor oil? Castor oil is extracted from the seeds of the castor plant, scientifically known as Ricinus communis. It's rich in ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid that gives it powerful medicinal and therapeutic properties. Used for centuries in Ayurveda and traditional medicine, castor oil has stood the test of time as a natural powerhouse. Now, let's explore the incredible benefits of castor oil and how you can incorporate it into your life. Promotes hair growth. Are you dreaming of thicker, longer, and healthier hair? Castor oil is your best friend. Its nourishing properties help stimulate hair follicles, improve blood circulation, and combat hair thinning. Simply massage warm castor oil onto your scalp once or twice a week for best results. Moisturizes skin. Say goodbye to dry, flaky skin with castor oil's deep moisturizing abilities. Its thick consistency locks in hydration, leaving your skin soft, smooth, and radiant. Apply a small amount to dry areas or mix it with your favorite lotion for an extra hydration boost. Strengthens eyelashes and eyebrows. Want fuller lashes and brows? Castor oil can help strengthen and thicken them naturally. Use a clean mascara wand to apply a tiny amount before bed, and watch the magic unfold. Relieves joint and muscle pain. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent remedy for sore muscles and aching joints. Massage it onto the affected area and cover it with a warm compress for quick relief. Boosts digestive health. Struggling with constipation? Castor oil acts as a natural laxative. Take a teaspoon with water, but remember, moderation is key, and always consult a healthcare professional before internal use. Fights acne and reduces scars. Its antibacterial properties help fight acne-causing bacteria, while its moisturizing effect reduces redness and scars over time. Apply a small amount to problem areas and let it work its magic. Promotes wound healing. Castor oil forms a protective barrier over wounds and promotes faster healing by reducing inflammation and preventing infections. Soothes cracked heels. Cracked heels can be painful, but castor oil's deep hydration can restore softness. Massage it into your heels before bed, put on some socks, and wake up to smoother feet. So, there you have it, the amazing benefits of castor oil. From enhancing your beauty routine to boosting your health, this natural remedy truly does it all. Have you tried castor oil before? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to live your healthiest life. See you next time.